Hey everybody, I'm Donna. Let's talk. Today we're going to talk about ThredUP. We're going to have a ThredUP rescue box unboxing. So let's see what we got. Okay. ThredUP is like a online thrift store kind of, but not. I don't know. But the rescue boxes are the things that they haven't sold or they haven't even tried to sell that they know they're not going to try and sell. So they're it's like recycling the shirts. Instead of throwing stuff away, you get a discount. And so on this, it's like there's 24 shirts in it. T-shirts rescue box. That's what it is. I paid $28 for this box. I think that had everything included because I think on my paper here it says 18 for as I was shipping and taxes and stuff like that. It was $28. There should be 25 shirts in here. So let's see what we got. Oh, and this box came from Arizona. It looks like, oh, they've got several shirts put all together. The first one says R.I.P. Rest in Peace. Next Level Apparel. Rest in peace to the old you. Oh, that's pretty good. That means you can have a new you. That's pretty cool. The front of it. I hope that you can see that. Still learning, y'all. Okay. The next one. What is that? Super Bowl 50. Number 10, Sanders. And this is a Nike t-shirt, extra, extra large. Is it a Maverick? What is, I don't know. Can't place that one. Then we have just a regular shirt. It's like has a V-neck. It's an extra large. Goodfellow and Company. Just a basic tee. It's the kind that won't strangle you. And this has like some sort of Asian symbol. Zoo York is the brand. It's a size large. And the next one just says Bella Canvas, size large. Huh. Conan. Isn't that the TV personality? Conan. It's for the audience, it says, so it must be. Okay, and this, oh, okay. It's another bundle. Ah. Okay. Delta Pro Weight. I never dreamed I'd end up being a son-in-law of a freaking awesome mother-in-law, but here I am, living the dream. What size did I say? A medium? I wonder if this will fit my son-in-law. Maybe. I do part-time reselling on ThredUP, not ThredUp, sorry, eBay and Mercari, and I'm still trying to talk myself into getting that next step into going into Poshmark. Ooh, what is this? Very sparkly, cool. Let's see. See if it's got any kind of tag. It does not there. Right here's one. Let's see. I think it's a large, but I don't have a brand. But we got the flowers and the koi fish at the bottom right here. But the back of it is like has two large koi fish. It's got the sparkle to it. My mom would love this if she was wearing stuff like this now. I don't know, I might keep it for myself. Okay, and this is a size large. Rooster teeth? I don't know. It says Mad Cow on the front. And Mad Cow. It's got the big cow. I'm not really sure what company that is. I think this is like another company. It's a size medium. Quicksilver. It's kind of a little bit faded and cracked. The letters are. Hey, I mean, even if you're not a reseller, it'd be fun to get these just to see what you get. And, I mean, you might can wear them. I mean, even if they're not in the best of shape. Could be a work shirt or something. These are considered DIY boxes, so you could repurpose or whatever, but usually they're in pretty good shape. This is an extra large. It says Shelly Cove on the front, but the back of it has a turtle, which is pretty nice. Whoa. It's pretty. I'm not sure where Shelly Cove is. I have to find out. Okay, now let's see, another bundle. This is Black Panther on there. Oh, pretty neat. My Warrior King. I don't know if you can, I don't know. That's pretty nice. Doesn't, yeah. It's a Marvel. 2 extra large. Then we have another Destiny Loopwear exclusive 2X V2. I don't know. Some space. Is that something with Star Wars? I don't really know. 2017. All rights reserved. Oh. Then we have, a no comment size 3X. striped, just a regular, really soft t-shirt. I don't know if you can see the colors good. It's got that aqua teal color in the navy with it. Then it looks like another Nike shirt. Blue Pride. Eagles, that's what that one is. Dry fit. Right? Blue Pride. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Is that the Eagles or Seahawks? Not sure. Okay, we got another size small Massimo Supply Company. Just a basic black V-shaped t-shirt. Let's get another bundle out. It's like a white. Ooh, okay. This is a. It's a light, very light blue, Goodfellow and Company, extra large. Just a solid color. This would be a good one to use for tie-dye also, or just use it that color. Huh. It's in good shape. It looks brand new. Okay, what else we got? We have, oh, it is a Seahawks. Seattle Super Bowl champions. Seahawks shirt. This is a size extra large. Long sleeve. I like the long sleeve tees to wear myself versus the short sleeve ones. And this one says Kim is my lawyer. Okay, there you go. Just a, let's see, the sleeve says talentless. I'm not sure what that means. Okay, we got another graphic. Goodfellow and Company, extra large. It's got like the ocean picture of the water. Sunset. I don't know. Ooh, wait, what is this? Oh, me. Def Leppard. I doubt it's a vintage. It's a zero small. Alright. Def Leppard. I'm hoping that y'all are seeing this. I'm not looking at my monitor. What does that say? Pyromania. Okay. And one more bundle. They folded them real nice. I didn't just throw them in there, that's for sure. And again, this is from Arizona. Got a Broncos NFL official. Number 23. McGee. So that's probably what the other one was, the first one, or one of the first ones. Here's another Shelley Cove. Comfort Wash, extra large. Another t-shirt. Another turtle. That's pretty. long sleeve, but it's going to be too small for me. Creative Apparel, size medium. Go Huskers. Got some bling on there. I'd wear that if it fit, but it's going to be too small. You win some, you lose some. Got another, oh, Nanning. Which one? I don't know the numbers. Broncos, number 18. These are in good shape. Okay. And the last one is another Shelley Cove, looks like. Doesn't say Shelley Cove though on it. Well, it does on the back. The front just has a small turtle, and then the back has the big turtle, and it's got Shelley Cove on it. Okay, so that's the end of that. Let's count and make sure we got our, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Four, 25. There you go. All in all, it's not a bad box. I mean, none of the shirts are in bad shape. There was maybe one faded, sort of faded, I don't know. But I mean, like I said, you can do as a reseller, or just if you just want to see what you're going to get. It's fun just unboxing because you never know what you're going to get. There may be a couple of these that I might can wear, and I'm sure there's always family, and they make either good casual or work shirts if you know, but there's really nothing wrong with any of these shirts that I got this time. I've gotten a couple of rescue boxes a few years ago, but I want to try and do some more and see. The next unboxing is going to be with scarves. I did one t-shirt unboxing a couple of years ago, used some for tie-dye and crafting. So the next one, like I said, is going to be the scarf box, and hopefully we'll have some really cool stuff in that. And anyway, please subscribe to my channel. Trying to work up the subscription list there. And we'll see you next time with a ThredUP Rescue Scarf Box. Peace and love. Come back and see me.